Alright, so this is how to create a professional invoice for a client that you want to do a design job for. Now, the purpose of this is to make you look overpriced. See, the truth is, if you do not brand yourself, your client will brand you for you. Let me explain what I mean. If you do not put yourself on high value, if you do not value the product and the services you offer, your clients will definitely price you so low. I'm telling you for free. When you send clients these flyers or this what's it called now? This receipt or invoice, it will make you look so overpriced. They will not be able to price your designs anyhow. They will not be able to. So it is important to pay attention to this video as I show you how to create it. You can get an app called Invoice Maker for Android users. That one is much more easier because this one they are asking me to pay for it, but I do screenshots it, I do not save it. So you can get an app called Invoice Maker. This app is requiring to be paid for. When you open it, as you can see here, you can see my clients that I've worked for. Just click on Add Clients. You add clients. That first place that says Add Clients. Add a new client, or you can select the ones you've worked with before. But as you're creating a new one, click on Add New Client. The client name. You can put the client email, but that's not necessary. Then the phone number is important. Client email is not necessary. Just the client phone number, the client name. Then you click on Save. Now click on Add Item. You can name the flyer you want to design, or if it is a brand design, you can add it there. Brand design, the amount, the description, however you want, the quantity. Then the discount. This is where I play my client tricks. You see, this place called discount. I give them discount, percentage discount. I can just give them 10% off. I will charge them 30,000, give them 20% off. It will not be 20-something thousand. So it will look as if I'm doing them a favor, not knowing that that's a trick I'm using on them. You see, we humans, we love things that are cheap. That's just the truth. Then here you can add your payment details that you want the clients to see in the invoice. You don't send your client your details on your chat. This is how to do it. Add it here, click accept, then it has added. Just click save. Then this note, I do write 50% deposit needed upfront for before work commences. So you can add it, or you can write whatever you want to write. It's your choice. So for me, this is what I add here: 50% deposit required before project commences. So a client has to pay me 50% of the money first before I begin to work on their design. No payment, no design. That's my own policy. So when I'm done, click on save. It's supposed to show, but it's not showing because I did not pay for the app. Well, this is how it looks like after everything has been completed. But this app, don't download it anymore. It's requiring me to pay for it. So get an app called Invoice Maker. I will forward the screenshots on the WhatsApp group.